GPT is a type of artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI.
This is ChatGPT and it is very much discussed since last few days. It is being said that it can compete with Google search. Whatever question you ask from it, it gives answer by writing them and still its testing is going on. The experience of social media users who are testing it is very good. To an extent, this chatbot is answering the question in very correct and simple language. For now, it understands only English language and answers in that. People are liking it because, like Google, it does not provide links to hundreds of thousands of websites in response to any question. Asking any question on ChatGPT gives a direct answer to them. But what ChatGPT is actually? ChatGPT was launched on November 30, 2022 by San Francisco-based OpenAI, which was founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015 as an artificial intelligence research and development company. ChatGPT is a chatbot, means with whom you can talk in writing, that is chatting. You will write your question and it will answer. ChatGPT works on artificial intelligence. It learns from your question and your answer. Here the full form of GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Its name itself shows that the AI that answers your question has been given proper training. According to social media users, this chatbot can write you a leave application, can write a cover letter, and even create a script for your video. But how? Means how does it work? It has been explained in detail on the website of this chatbot that how it works. To train ChatGPT, the developers have used publicly available data for this. From this data, this chatbot finds answers to your questions, prepare them well and in the right language, and presents them to you. You can also tell whether you are satisfied with the answer to your question or not. It also updates its data according to your answer. However, its training was over in the beginning of 2022 itself, so you will not be able to get the correct information about the events or data after that. This is really a fun website or AI or chatbot or whatever you call it. But is this chatbot capable of replacing Google search engine? Look, if you have been using Google search, then you must have also felt that many times Google presents so many links and videos in front of you that you get confused. Sometimes even Google itself does not understand what you want to know. Whereas ChatGPT does not provide any link as compared to Google search. It answers your question in 4-5 lines, that's all. And on that basis, if you think that it can replace Google, then you and I can be wrong. The biggest reason for this is that it is limited on its ability to answer and it does not give many options. In comparison, Google gives you options in many categories, for example, article, website link, news, photo, video, etc. So for now, I don't think it can replace Google. But what about jobs? Are we going to be expelled from our work? Maybe. Look, as I said, it is limited in its ability to answer. But from computers to calculators, all have eaten human jobs from time to time. However, they have simplified our lives as well. The kind of software ChatGPT is, there is no doubt that in the coming times when it will be updated and some more improvement will be made, it will answer your question very comfortably. However, if you talk about the present, ChatGPT does not have as much information as Google have. So for now, relax, you are not going to fight because of ChatGPT, but you can use it for script writing and for making your cover letter. So for now, I think that's all about ChatGPT. And if you have any question, you can write it on ChatGPT website. See you soon.